Hi, my name is Tim, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make a password generator in Java. So to start off, let's create a scanner object. And how to import it. And then we have to ask for the digits from the user. Okay, so in this password generator, we will have a random password. It will generate a random password that includes uppercase, lowercase, as well as the numbers. So now let's start with lowercase. So we're gonna create a string that includes all the lower cases that we want to use. So just type all the letters on your keyboard, like in the order of the keyboard. Okay, it's not that hard actually. And then what we can do, we will do is that we will create another one for uppercases. Okay. Now we have to create a string variable for our password. This is gonna be our empty password, and we're gonna continue to add each new digit into our password in the for loop. And this for loop is gonna loop the same amount of time as our digit. Okay. Now we're gonna use a random variable. It's gonna go from 0 to 2. So that means that we have to do 3 times math.random because it rounds down. That's why it's 3 times math.random. So you go from 0 to 2, which is 3 numbers. Okay. And let's say on digit, so it will go it will loop the amount of digits. So let's say for the first digit we get a random number of 0. That means that for that digit we're gonna use a number. So random number. So to add a random number, we're just gonna do password dot plus equals to string dot value of from 0 to 9. So integer times cast the random number from 9 times random, cast that into integer, put in the value of, that will give us what we want, and then we're gonna break it. Oh, my bad, I'm sorry. I made a stupid mistake. This is how you do a this is how you do a switch statement. That's embarrassing. I'm sorry. Let's keep on going. So now, let's say if the second digit is a 1, then what we want to do is that we want to do rand dot equals to we're gonna get a random number. It's gonna be a random indexed within the lowercase variable. The lowercase is string variable. So it casts this into integer. So lower cases dot length multiplies by math dot random. And then we're gonna put it in our password in the form of a string. So string dot value of lowercases chart at. Don't forget the break. And now what we want to do is that we want to copy this. It's the same thing for uppercases. So for uppercases, we're just gonna change lowercase to uppercase. Okay, that's actually it. Now we just need to print out our password. Okay, let's run this program. Let's see. Run this program. Oh, let's run here. Oh, it is. I already have the console open. My bad. That's why I didn't jump to the console. Okay, there you go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. So that's a password right there. So congrats. Now you learn how to make a password generator in Java. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, put it in the comment section down below and leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day.